Another cute doggy coin, eh? Tora Inu. This was recently in a pre-sale, guys. We're going to do a little bit of research on this particular token. Is it legit? Is it a scam? I think firstly, it looks really cool, and following the success of Tamadoge, many other meme coins want to also replicate such results. But I don't know if that's going to be the case on this particular occasion. We can see this is the Tora Inu website. Looks fun, looks cool, really nice. Apparently, you know, they have all their audits and everything in place already. Deflationary, all these nice words that just sound really good. And here is a roadmap. So there is a bullish roadmap. We can see Q4 2022, they had their website launched, the pre-sale launch of Tora, and then Q4 2022, where we are now, they launched on Uniswap. They got a CMC listing, CoinGecko, and all of this. And then moving into next year, we can see the first centralized exchange listing, influencer marketing campaigns, and things like this. So I don't know a huge amount about this particular pre-sale or how much it did raise. I suppose we could quickly find out on ICO drops if it will be nice and load for me nice and quickly. Tora Inu, let's give that a little search. And whilst that is loading, we can just keep looking through here. So NFT native marketplace in Q3 2023, Q4 2023, we're going to see Tora Inu DEX pools staking for Tora Inu as well. So lots of cool stuff coming up. Now, one thing I really do not like, and we couldn't find anything on ICO drops, is the fact the team is not doxed again. I just don't like this. You can't click through to anything. We don't know who these people are. We do not know anything about them. You know, there's no identity. So could there be some sort of dodginess attached to this? Is there some sort of maliciousness behind the scenes? Very possible. And we can see here they've got loads of crazy memes and stuff like that. Looking at the Tora price, in my opinion, it's spiraling into a downtrend, but this is just kind of natural after seeing such an explosive launch. If we look at the pre-sale and how it performed, to be fair, assuming, I don't know what the actual entry was, the price entry, but we can see here it came up, corrected, and if you did buy a dip on the 15th of December, you would have actually made a good 2.3x. So it looks like there's a lot of volume, there's a lot of liquidity, lots of people are trading it, and there's a lot of eyes on the particular coin. And it does look like if you're eyeing this one up around 0.0007-ish, you know, this particular area here, 0.0006 to 8, is starting to look like quite a good dollar cost average zone. I did kind of notice one thing as well regarding this. I mean, it's on Uniswap at the moment. It will have a centralized exchange listing soon. Personally, I'm staying away from coins that are like kind of fully undoxed and stuff. I mean, there's a few that I like. It's not always a red flag, because I remember at first Tamadoge, of course, didn't have any transparency of the team until later on in the pre-sale, and it did super well. One thing I did notice was quite weird. There's another pre-sale or big coin at the moment called Metacade, and I noticed that at the bottom of Tora Inu and the bottom of Metacade, we can see there's this disclaimer that says cryptocurrency may be unregulated in your jurisdiction. And then you go back to Metacade and it says cryptocurrency may be unregulated in your jurisdiction. So it's saying the exact same thing on two different websites, which could suggest either it's the same website designer or the entire same team or something like that. And when you do look at the graphics or the, I don't know, how did I find this nice, kind of like this, I suppose. They do look very similar, don't they? They've got very similar fonts, very similar sort of designs. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I mean, it could just be one, what's the word? It could be a juggernaut in the industry that just has loads of pre-sales. It's not unusual. That are just looking after a few different ones, which could be quite good if they're successful. In my opinion, Metacade, does it have? Yeah, it's got LinkedIn profiles. So Metacade looks much better, in my opinion, than Tora Inu. But yeah, guys, always do your own due diligence, always research, look at white papers, look at audits, make sure the teams are doxed and things like this. This one's already launched and gone live. There will be a centralized exchange listing soon. In other news, please do consider joining the Discord channel down below. It's really worth your while, because there's thousands of people in my Discord channel and we can all learn, inspire and create together. Honestly, we've got chess tournaments, we've got loads of different pre-sales like Robot Era, Calvaria, Dash to Trade, Fight Out, and those 4 live pre-sales you can actually find down below in my comments section too. So if you are a bit of a pre-sale hunter, if you are getting bored of the traditional crypto markets, do check out those links down below and do a bit of research as well. So Tora Inu, maybe not the best token in the world, but you know, it's not one of the worst either. It's just a few little things that you put question marks against. And I think, you know, pre-sales are here to stay, and the crypto markets will look healthy again very, very soon. Guys, I also have my Patreon page that you should check out too. If you want to get early access to pre-sales and white listings, take a look at my Patreon down below. We can see you're going to get early access to these sort of things. Battle Infinity returned 750%, Tamadoge 1927, IMPT returned 43%, and we do have Dasher Trade pending, Cavaria, and a few others as well in the pipeline. Watch this space. Tora Inu, I'm not going to be buying you, but I will be keeping my eye on you. See you later, guys. Much love. JCP.